How to fix error_file_not_found error in Google Chrome. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. The error_file_not_found error can sometimes occur due to a simple typing error in the URL. If Chrome cannot find the file at the specified URL, it will display this error. This can be solved by confirming that the URL is accurate. If that didn't work, extensions can enhance the functionality of Chrome, but they can also cause conflicts or errors. If an extension is coded incorrectly or conflicts with another extension, it can cause the error_file_not_found error. Disabling the problematic extension can resolve this issue. If that didn't work, if the issue continues, resetting Chrome to its default settings may resolve the problem. This action will clear temporary data and revert any changes that might have caused the error_file_not_found error. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.